Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. We have a new box to unbox here, and what I like about this is it is completely free. It is PINCHme. If you are not familiar, PINCHme is a website you can join, fill out a survey about yourself, your family, home, your pets, and they match you with different surveys to take and then products from the surveys. And like I said, it's completely free, and what I really like is that they have every second or third Tuesday of the month they do Sample Tuesday, and any products that you have been matched with, you can go in and you can put in your cart or box, and they'll send it to you, and it's completely free. So it's really awesome. This is not a Sample Tuesday box. This is just a box of a couple of items that I was matched with and they decided to go ahead and send to me. So this is the box. So it says PINCHme, and I want to go ahead and get in here and see. One thing I know is that a lot of these products are newer products to the market, and I think the reason they do it this way is because companies want feedback on new products. You know, is it something that people are gonna like? Is it something we need to continue to make? And we lovely people get to be the ones to try them out and try them out for free. So that is wonderful. So we are gonna dive right on in here to this PINCHme box. And like I said, this was not the Sample Tuesday box. This is just a box that had a couple of little things that ended up being matched for me. So let's see here. There's quite a bit of paper. Well, this is nice. This is in here. This is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh to get $25 off your first 2 boxes. So that's nice. This is one of the products that's in there by Ava NYC, I believe. Let's see. Yes, it is. Which is a hair care product, and I love hair care stuff, so yay. It is a sample here. Let me see if I get it a little bit. Like I said, it's Ava NYC. There's a glare, sorry you guys. And this is called Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil. It says it's for all hair types. So let's see. Main Magic Multitasking Leave-In Treatment. This is a little flyer that came about it, and on the back here it's saying that get 2 full-size products, a retail value of $24, August 27th through September 24th at Costco for $9.99. How awesome is that to get 2 full-size for $9.99? That makes them $5 a piece. But again, that's only August 27th through September 24th. So that gives me some time to see if I really like this, and then maybe run to Costco and pick 2 of them up. I wanted to see if it said more of what it would do, but if you guys can see, that writing is so super tiny that I'm not going to be able to read it. Again, it just, like I said, it is a 10-in-1 primer, so it's probably gonna, you know, help with heat defense, condition, smooth, things like that. So that's really awesome. I like that it has the argan oil, and like I said, sunflower seed oil. So that's really awesome to give it a try. And then, like I said, them putting this in here, letting us know to go to Costco for that time span and get the 2 full-size products for $9.99 if we do like it. So that was great. And then the final thing that I got here are 2 K-Cups. They are the Starbucks, the new Plus, which has twice the caffeine. So yay. So We can always do coffee. If you guys saw a video I did just a few days ago, it was a coffee subscription. So coffee is essential in my house. Again, I'm a mother, a wife. It's definitely essential. The first one here we have is Starbucks Plus coffee with 2 times caffeine dark roast. This is for a Keurig machine, obviously. And it says ground coffee plus coffee extracts. And then the other one is the same, the Starbucks Plus, coffee with 2 times caffeine. It's just a medium roast. So looks like they got squished just a little bit in shipping, but that's okay. They'll probably they should work. So yay for these 2 different coffees, the dark roast and a medium roast. So, I mean, it was just, 2 K-cups and a trial size hair care product, but it was free. So you just go sign up to PINCHme.com, fill out that survey or questionnaire about your life, yourself, things you like, your family, things like that, and they will match you with the products and send them to you. So it's great. And don't forget, Sample Me Tuesday, 2nd or 3rd Tuesday of the month. I do know for August it is going to be August 21st. So you can definitely, if you have not, go ahead, sign up and try to get that box on August 21st. If, again, you go in, I think it's at noon that they launch where you can go in and get your products. They do kind of go quickly because it's free products. So make sure you get on there August 21st at noon and claim some samples and enjoy. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you were not familiar with PINCHme, you now know and you sign up. I will leave a link below to their website. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe and then enter my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.